Hello everybody, how are you doing today? So finally I got my Mavic Mini. I'm just doing this video, not really an unboxing video, but just to talk about some of the things that you need to consider when buying a drone. So the first thing is why I recommend you should buy a DJI drone is because all the other drones in the market, the app is not as matured as a DJI app where you have the tracker. So whatever drone you're buying, make sure it has a tracker. So this has a tracker. In case it gets missing, I should be able to find it, or in case it flies away, I should be able to track it and find it. So this is one of the good selling points that most people don't talk about, which is what you should consider as a beginner. And then secondly, if you're buying, try to get a combo. It's a better deal because you get extra batteries, you get extra propellers, and then also you get the charger which you can use to charge your batteries. So this is very important. So I will be testing out the DJI to show you guys how much this can capture. It came with a 2.7. So it came with a 2.7 camera. So it came with a 2.7 camera. It's not 4K, but 2.7 is pretty good enough. So I'm going to show you guys so you can see how it looks. Alright, so most of you have already seen it on the internet, but let me fly this one so you see it yourself. Alright, so this is it, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can get to see more of my content.
Don't